Hi, I didn't see you there. What am I doing, you ask? I was just about to apply Numi Cosmetics, the first ever non-transferable lipstick. That's why I said first ever, worlds. This is a truly non-transferable lipstick. Goes on like butter, lightweight, you don't even know it's there. One swipe coverage, and yes, I mean one swipe coverage, girl, looks. We have over 40 shades ranging from the nudest of nudes all the way to the most seductive of reds. Also exotic colors such as green and blue. Lightweight, you don't even feel, it's weightless. Like, legitimately, girl, like you go and put this on and then forget you're wearing it. And then you're gonna take a drink of your drink and like, get your lips all moist and wet. And what transfer? Where? Do you see that glass? The dry down time is legitimately 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What transfer? Where? Do you see product on my hand? No. No, you don't. You want to know why? Because it doesn't transfer. $8.99, 7 mls of product, 24-hour wear. Tastes like a delicious just snack. It's so good, not too overpowering, but still not like makeup chemically tasting. Also, you're gonna get a product that is 100% non-transferable. Transfer where? What transfer? I just dragged my hand across those two shades. What transfer? No transfer, because if it transfers, it ain't Numi.